Maabithaa ministry-ini ya ugitiri wa thiini matongoretio ni Ndagitari Fred Matiang'i magwekinyitie kaunti-ini ya Laikipia itanya inene ari kwariria uhoro wigii ugitiri gicigo-ini giki. Akiaria thutha ucio, Matiang'i agitariria ati thirikari ni itwithanitie ngucanio iria ikoretwo kuo ciĩgiĩ mihaka ya mwathanire gatagati ga kaunti ya Laikipia na kaunti marigainie ya Nyandarua.
The alignment of administration boundaries between the area in Nyandarua, which houses Laikipia security teams, but then operates out of that place in Nyahururu. We have completed the alignment today, and henceforth we have aligned all those boundaries.
Niguo kugaciria ugitiri na njira iria yagiriire, minista uyu akiuga thirikari ni kwandikithia maabithaa othe ya borithi bururi-ini a muhohio maambiriirie na guku kaunti ya Laikipia.
The process of registering police officers has been going on. It is now complete. The president will publish the report next week when he receives it. So he gave us a second instruction to ensure now we go to the level of registering all the NPRs. I came to discuss that with the security teams here so that we start. The registration will be accompanied by a vetting of the NPRs. And we vet using community leaders because they are the ones who know them.
Matiang'i oho ni agaire na giikara na atongoria kuma kaunti cia Samburu na Marsabit kwarĩrĩria ũrĩa mangicokia thayo icigo-ini ici. Handũ-ini ha Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.